So hopefully you have your journal out. You need to be on the next clean page. Today's date is 10/20/20. And we did not write our I can. Maybe we can squeeze it in up here. I can multiply a decimal by a two-digit whole number. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully that's going to fit in your journal. Well, your journal will look better than mine today. So here we go. Remember that we're going to multiply, pretending like that decimal is not there. So here we go. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 is 45. And then we zip, zap, 0. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry that 1. 3 times 6 is 18, and 1 more makes 19. Add your partial products. Now, remember that 3 7/10, that's really not a whole number, but if we multiply that by 10, then it moves that decimal one time to the right. If we multiply by 10 in the factors, down here in the product, we would divide by 10. And so that would move that decimal one time to the left. And you see how I'm doing that very lightly with my magic pencil? So you don't see my scoop there. So 65 times 3 7/10 is 240 and 5/10. My answer goes neatly in a box, and there we go. Take a look at this next one. We have a 3-digit decimal. Same thing. We're going to multiply pretending like that decimal is not there. Okay? 3 times 6 is 18. Put down the 8, carry that 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 more makes 16. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, and 1 more makes 4. Let's zip and zap and 0. 7 times 6 is 42. Put down the 2, carry the 4. Yikes. 7 times 5 is 35. 4 more makes 39. Carry the 3. 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 more makes 10. Add them together. We have 8. 6 and 2 is 8. 4 and 9 is 13. And 1 and 1. Now, 15 and 6/10. We want this to be a whole number. So here, that decimal moved one time to the right because up here we multiply by 10, and down here in the product, we divide by 10. So we're going to move that decimal one time to the left. Girls and boys, it's the same thing that Miss Mullinex was doing before, where I said count the number of times that decimal moves in the factors and move it that same amount of time in the product. Same thing, okay? Just different words. So my answer is 1,138 and 8/10. Make sure that you have both of these examples in your journal. You can make up your own and practice as well. There's a practice slide coming up.